Magandang araw po mga kawangis ko. Kung saan man sulok ka man ng mundo, ito ang inyong lingkod Anton Olson. Sa mga kapwa ko OFW dyan, sa Middle East, Yumkin side, sa mga nakasubscribe na sa akin, syukran kater. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe sa akin, please lang. Please subscribe my channel and likes din ng mga videos ko. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin, gigil na gigil po si Senador Joel Villanueva at si Jingo Estrada dahil sa isang wawa contractors. Nako, pinapasagot lang ng yung yes or no. Hindi niya masagot-sagot. Parang ang sarap sampalin sa panga. Ito, panorin po natin ang kanyang mga investigasyon sa Senado.
Good morning po.
Yeah, can you answer yes or no? Ghost project? Can you turn on the microphone, please? It's a yes or no question, sir. Wow, you
don't even know?
You're looking for your lawyers? Wow.
I invoke my right of incrimination in your honor.
Okay.
Ano? Can you repeat your answer?
Wow.
Can you repeat your answer, Mr. Arevalo?
I invoke my right of personal incrimination in your honor.
My God, the question of the majority floor leader is very simple. It's very simple. Do you have any ghost project in any of the areas here in the Philippines? Answer.
Dahil may mga usapin po na kakasuhan yung mga contractor ng DPWH po at parte ng ulat ng Senado na magpagrekomenda ng paghahain ng kaso laban sa resource person, ang payo ng aking mga abogado ay huwag magsalita sa panahon na ito dahil anumang pahayag ko sa pagsisiyasat.
Sino utos sa'yo na huwag magsalita? Sino?
Tignan niyo mga kawangis ko. Gigil na gigil si Gigil na gigil si Jingo Estrada. Alam mo, nakakagigil talaga si yung contractor na siya palang may-ari yung Wawaw Builders. Tapos para siyang santong walang basbas. Ang sarap sampalin sa panga eh. Pinapasagot lang naman siya ng ng is or no. Tapos ngayon sabi niyo I invoke my rights with incrimination. Ang kapal din ng pagmumukha, no? Is or no lang, hindi siya makapagbigay lang ng tamang sagot.
May binabasa ka ba?
Ginawa ko po, Your Honor.
Ano binabasa mo?
Pasensya po kasi kinakabahan po kasi po.
It is only answerable by yes or no, Mr. Arevalo. Is there any ghost projects of Wawaw Builders? This is what I discovered, and the former secretary confirmed during the first hearing that there indeed are ghost projects.
Bine-verify pa po namin, Your Honor, kung meron po.
Ano ka ba sa Wawaw? Are you the owner?
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
you should know.
Majority Leader, it's your time, huh?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. I'm just disappointed, Mr. Chairman, kasi pambira ka, sasagot ka ng ganyan, ghost project. Parang tinatanong ka kung tao ka, hindi mo alam kung tao ka. Mr. Chairman, just to put on record also, no, yung Diskaya Group, ang total cost project nila from 2022 to 2025 ay 31 billion pesos. 31 billion pesos dito sa siyam na kumpanya na ito. Yung Sims at yung Wawaw Builders, at dun sa 31 billion, Mr. Chairman, 3 billion nasa Bulacan, Region 3, if I'm not mistaken. 2.8 billion sa Bulacan. Yung Sims, tsaka yung Wawaw, meron pong 4 billion at 1.2 billion sa Bulacan. May I know from COA kung na-audit niyo po itong tatlo na itong binanggit ko na ito, na kumpanya?
Sir, ito po yung mga na-subject for audit, fraud audit, especially for Bulacan po, sir, Your Honor.
Yes, and nakita niyo may ghost project. Kaya hindi makasagot ito, eh.
Opo.
Can you confirm?
Hindi ko pa po ma-confirm.
Because
sir,
we're going to get we
Wala po
subpoena already the document. So,
Opo.
can you confirm? Yes or
Your
no?
Honor, wala po akong kopya nung audit highlights.
Do you also audit itong pickup?
Meron po tayong mga auditors assigned sa DTI, Your Honor, at may mga findings din po sila, kaya na-audit din po yung pickup po.
I'll go with the pickup. No, nandito si Dr. Dakay. Dr. Dakay, ilan kayo sa board? Can you just mention the names? Tatlo?
Yeah, there are three of us, Your Honor. Engineer Ernie Bagaw, Engineer Arthur Escalante, and myself.
Okay. Kayong tatlo, as board members ng pickup, are you also contractors, officers, or owners of companies that have government contracts with DPWH or LGUs, sir?
Our company, Your Honor, does not have any projects with the DPWH.
Kayong tatlo na members ng board, I have documents here to prove something, sir. Please don't lie to me, please.
Yes, that's why Engineer Bagaw, AGB, and Arthur Escalante have projects with the DPWH.
So meron, sir, Your Honors. Is that correct? Yes, the current pickup board members have construction contracts with DPWH, and I can show it to you later, LGUs and other government entities with their respective companies. Your answer is yes, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you don't think it's not right for you guys to have these contracts? For example, Dr. Dakay, as chairperson, associated po kayo dun sa Dakay Construction and Development Corporation. May projects po kayo with national and various local governments for public facilities like government buildings and schools. Si Engineer Bagaw, one of the top contractors ng flood control project, securing worth 7.7 billion. Si Engineer Escalante signed a contract with DPWH on behalf of his company in May 2022 while already a pickup board member. Are you aware of this, sir?
Yes, I'm aware of that, Your Honor.
And there's nothing wrong with it?
Actually, Your Honor, all of the members of the board of pickup and the other boards in SIAP are all contractors.
And there's no conflict of interest, you think, among your officials? And there's nothing we can do to stop the three of you, the powerful three in a pickup?
Your Honor, if I may speak for myself, we do not have any government projects, Your Honor. We used to have, but not anymore. And
I will no longer belabor the issue. I think it's very clear, Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to raise here. Yung sa DPWH, paano natin napiprevent yung pag-rent out o yung purchase ng pickup licenses?
Your Honor, that is a very good question. And
I'm not asking you, I'm asking DPWH.
Hindi, personal opinion ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi po dapat o hindi tama siguro ang pagpapairam ng lisensya.
You are not being asked opinion, ma'am. Proceedings.
I apologize, Your Honor.
We're talking about facts here. Thank you.
I apologize, Your Honor. But I am not very knowledgeable on the procurement part. I have not been a member of any BAC. Pero again, sa pagkakaalam ko po, hindi po tama na pinagpa-rent or pinapahiram. Kasi po yung...
But you are aware that this is happening?
Hindi ko po. Well, hindi.
Come on, Yuse Cabral.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Because I am not involved in the operation.
Kayo bang na-deputize na sumagot in behalf of the department para
ako po kasi
makasiguro lang tayo?
Ako po kasi yung pinakamataasang posisyon na nandito ngayon. Kasama ko po yung mga regional director.
Kasi you keep on looking at your back for every question.
I apologize.
So you're referring to most of them. Baka you are very discomfortable with doing this. So baka meron po kayong gustong pumalit sa inyo sa ngayon.
Pwede po bang matawag ko ang isang regional director? Kasi sila po yung...
Regional director lang yun. Lalo mo lang alam yun.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the majority leader, interjection lang.
Okay.
Paalala lang po na kasasabi po kasi ni Yuse Cabral, di nila alam na mayroong pagpapahiram or pagre-rent out ng lisensya. Pero kanina po sinabi ni dating Secretary Bonoan, alam nila at alam ng department. For the record, salamat Mr. Chair at Majority Leader.
Anyway, that will be shown later on by the documents that...
So, ayan ang mga kawangis ko, di ba? Kitang-kita nyo naman yung kapikunan ni Joel Villanueva at si Jingo Estrada. Siguro kung pwede lang manapak at manuntok, kundi lang bawal yan sa Senado sa pakin nila eh. Kasi nga, sasagot lang naman ng yes or no, hindi makasagot eh. Tapos, parang may binabasa. Ano yan? Prayer meeting, may binabasa. Patragisan. Pero sa pagnanakaw sa sa kaban ng bayan, hindi sila natatakot, 'di ba? Tapos diyan tinatanong lang sila, nanginginig. Ano 'yan? O pagkukunwari lang 'yan, o yung isa lang taktika yan na kunwari inosente sila. Pagmumukha nila inosente. daming kaya nga nagkaroon na ng issue na ng daming mga ghost flood control. Tapos ngayon hindi mo lang masagot na tinatanong ko lang kung mayroon kang gusto flood control, tapos hindi mo masagot yes or no lang, hindi mo masagot, tapos may binabasa kang prayer meeting o love letter. Di ba, pambibisit yun talaga sa mga senador yan. So ayan muna mga kawangis ko, sa mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel. Sa mga ka-OFW dyan, masalam and thank you and bye-bye.